and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a tutorial on how to properly take out your soft locks. Before we jump into it, you guys already know the routine. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notifications so that when I do post, you guys will be able to see it. So no long tints, okay? Let's jump into the video. So I have had my braids in for, I want to say almost 2 months. I got them I got them done on the 31st of October, and we're literally like, today's like the 26th, December 26th. So almost 2 months, which I never do. I don't think I have kept my braids in for this long. They're ready to come out, okay? It looks good, right? I'm lotioning my abache because I was scratching it and now it looks like something. So let's jump back into the video. Okay, so yeah, these are definitely ready to come out. Because I had it in a bun though, and it was kind of like neat around it, I did not know what was going on in here. This is not. Okay, so I do have my water right here. I'm gonna go ahead and mix my conditioner in there, and this is the TGIN Quench 3-in-1 cold wash conditioner and detangler. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix some in my water. Okay, so shake it up. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray this all in my hair. And also guys, I've never done this before, okay? This is my first time getting these type of braids, so I don't know. I've never done this, but we're gonna figure it out together. Also, you cannot cut it. You cannot cut it because your actual hair is wrapped into the braid, right? So if you cut it, like right now, if I cut this, I might cut my hair. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I did the back. We are almost done. I have just the top right here left. We're just gonna unravel just to get a hold of the Marley hair, which sometimes can be a little annoying. Awesome. So once you twist it the opposite way and you find the Marley hair, you go ahead and you just cut. So once I cut it, I'm gonna take the Marley hair and just unravel it. Sometimes you might have to like tug on it because, you know, it's been in there for a while and it's just a lot. So once that is done, I'm gonna find my hair, which is right here, pull my hair out, right? Then I'm gonna take my scissors and then cut. So once you do that, it's very easy for the crochet hair to just come right out, and that's it. So again, twist the opposite direction, find the Marley hair right here, and then cut, and then unravel, cut the crochet hair. They do say that you can reuse the hair, but honestly, I just feel like at this point, let it go, okay? Just let it go. So again, twist, find the Marley hair right here, cut, and then unravel. Once the Marley hair is out, pull your hair out, get a scissors. Be careful so you don't cut your hair, but get a scissors, cut the crochet hair, and then the knot comes right out. You're done. Okay guys, I went ahead and I took the crochet hair out. It was quick, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and spray my hair, water conditioner, and then just detangle it. Get all these buildup and stuff out before I think about even washing it. I want to make sure that all these things are out so that when I do wash it, I'm not over here struggling. Okay guys, so I am all done. This was a lot of work. I don't even know if it's worth getting the braids unless you go sit down and get it professionally taken out. But if you're gonna sit home and do it yourself, it's a lot. So anyways guys, that's it for this video. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you think. 2021, we are going to be doing a lot more videos, okay? Yeah, that's it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.